I'm very happy today. We're going to run an exciting experiment with the Ford F-150. Can 20 ropes stop this powerful truck even when it's stuck in the mud? You might have seen many car tests before, but today you'll witness something completely new. This is one of the world's most loved and powerful vehicles, and today's test will prove its strength. Watch the video carefully and let me know what you think. This is just a teaser. I'll upload the full video once we get 5 comments and 50 likes. Right now, I'm sharing the 1-minute half video, and the full 15-minute version will be released after your support.